Welcome back to my final more important chart analysis video with me, Rich Pair Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday 3rd of August. Let's have a look at gold, which is still trading low within this downtrend channel, and it's gained traction to the downside as well. Bit of a consolidation in the last sort of week or so. Started to pull lower. We got a close below 1220 on Wednesday. That was sort of began really the move lower. Yesterday there was initially a pretty decent reaction actually. On gold, the market sort of pulled higher through the early part of the Asian session anyway, in the early part of the European session. Then the dollar strength started to take real hold into the afternoon, started to really sort of pull gold lower. Another strong bear candle, really is sort of looking lower again. 1211 was that initial support from the July low. That's now been broken. 1204.50 is the July 2017 low, and then you're looking at 1194.50, and that is a really important level. Look at how important that level is, because basically below that you really are opening a move back towards sort of 1120 area. This really is sort of rolling over territory, isn't it now? Especially if you break below 1194.50. So this is really important. This sort of 1200 big figure level has been sort of there or thereabouts, so a key level for the last sort of couple of years really. Turning points quite often on the downs for coming in as support. So if it doesn't hold as support and 1194.50 is broken decisively, then you really are looking sort of lower. But the the downtrend channel is still intact. You've got these momentum indicators which are all still bearish. RSI is still trending lower. MACD line is still trending lower. Stochastics, if I had drawn a trend line in, still trending lower. So it all looks fairly negative, doesn't it? And rallies are a chance to sell. You can see that on the hourly chart. I'll zoom out. You can see sort of trading below all the falling moving averages. 450 area seems to be an area where now the RSI is failing, certainly in the last sort of day or so. So yeah, any sort of unwinding move is a chance to sell. 1211, that old low, initial resistance today. But 1218, sort of 1220 area, and then 1228 being sort of a reaction high from the recent level. But yeah, I mean, you're going to get some volatility surrounding payrolls today, but to be honest, it's all still pretty negative on gold. So I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you again next week.